Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 48 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with ReactJs. In this video, we will mainly perform the functionality for order status. So till now what we have done, or you can say in the last video, we have applied the PayPal button. So when we click on the proceed and when we select the PayPal, then it will show the PayPal button, and with the help of this PayPal button we can pay the amount, right? But now in this video what we will do, so after the payment done we will change the order status, right? So let's start to do this. Okay, so for changing the order status, first of all we will verify that we have a field. We should have a field in the order model. So it was not, but let's create this model start boolean field, and default we will say false, right? And then after this we will run the manage.py make migrations, right? And then we will run migrate, right? And after applying this we will run the server, and we will add in the serializer, we will add two things, uh, no, only one thing: order status id customer and order status. And we will also add this in the admin. So here we have admin for product. I will go to copy this and rename this order admin, and this will be order, right? Remove from here, and we will see that what things we need to show. So first one is id, second one is customer, third one is order time, fourth one is order status, right? Okay, and we have added this here. Let's go here. So are we running? Oh, we need to run the server. Here we are. Okay, so here we have a id customer order time order status. Let's remove all the orders first, right? Now so we have updated our serializer, so when we send the data order status it will check. And what else we need to do? Hmm. Yes, everything is fine. So what we need to do now, in the conform order on approve, we need to set this particular order status to true, right? So let's create one thing. This will be order status set order status, and it will be default false, right? And then when we do this, right, then it will set order status true, right? And then we need to run the function update order status, or we can say, okay, so update order status, and in this we will pass order status, and actually we will pass here order id and order status, right? So update order status, and we need to create this function. So here function order status. So the first one is order id, and the second one is order status, right? So let's console this and check this, everything is coming here correctly. So we will take further step, right? So let's here. Okay, it's continuously adding the order. Let's remove this and we will see that why this is doing. So here we are, PayPal, right? And then we have this button. I have already logged in with my testing account. So complete purchase. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then we have, why this is showing error. Thanks for using PayPal. Let's see order status. Oh, transaction is completed by John, right? And it means everything is working here. Okay, we need to run the check here in the console. Okay, actually we didn't check before, so now we need to run this transaction again. Let's PayPal console and 1 minute. Complete purchase. uh, it's not printing the, what we have printed. Okay, update order status. So it's not running this function here, update order status, but it should run mm, on complete. Let's see why this is not running, and we need to run this because we need to complete this transaction. Okay, so I have modified this function little bit. So now what I'm doing, I'm just sending the order status here in the on approve, it will be true, right? So it will run only if it's approved, else it will be default false, right? So uh, what we are doing here now, so this function will run only on approve. So by default it will false. Here we have defined in the model. So let me do one more thing. Yeah, so order ID is coming from our state, and order status we are passing here, right? So let's check this. So here we have a PayPal, right? And let me one more thing do. Okay, console. Okay, complete. Are we printing? Yes. I think in the function we are printing. Yes. Okay, so here you can see 1368 and true, right? So this is order ID and this is status we are printing. Now with the help of this order ID and other things, we can send the data, we can post the data, right? So here we will say, right? So update order status, and here we will post our data, right? So let's post this. Okay, so now we need to post the data. Okay, so let's post the data base URL, and here we will create a, let's copy this, paste here, update order status, and this is our order ID, right? Let's say paste that order ID, right? So we are going to create a functional view. So we will say update order status. Here we are, copy this view, and here we will create this, right? So definition request order ID, So URL order id, all right. Now what we will do, if request dot method equal to post, right, and yeah, this is fine, right. And what we have, we created any function? Yes, we have created this function. And what else we need to send? Okay, so if request dot method equal to post, then we will update this. So models dot order dot objects dot filter id equal to dot update. And what we will update? Order status. And what we will the order status? It will be true, right? And then we will return the response, and let's return response, this one. And this is update response, and false here. And we will say if update response, then, oh, I'm mixing. If update response, then we will send boolean equal to true, right? So this is fine. Now this is message, and this is okay. So we need to pass this URL. So update order status slash update order status. No need for form data, we just need to pass order id, right? And response, let's console the response. Right, so now we are ready to test, right? So let me refresh this page, and then sorry. Okay, so here we are, and I think we need to paste this here, so we will paste it here, and let's click on the login. Where is that? Okay, complete purchase, and let's see what it is returning. Not returning anything. Network orders response, it's captured, and then when captured, then we are sending here update order status. But what we are sending, update order status, in the post method, we are just sending the URL. Okay, no issues. So here we are, and but it's not working. Let's try again. First of all, let's remove all the orders. Delete, sure. And then we have a PayPal here, okay. And then complete purchase, capture, and this is saying something. All right, so we can remove this either we can add the accept post, or the simple method is get uh, get. Okay, let's keep it as it is, and here we will say csrf accept, right? Okay, so now let's try again. It should work now, right? So PayPal. So our main target is to change the order status, right? So let's see, captured, and here boolean true and order status is checked. Okay, so everything is working now, right? So all right, so we have changed the order status after paying the amount. The next step is we will need to redirect to the, or we can say, mm, we can change we can change the message that you have successfully paid, or we can redirect to the customer profile. Okay, so tell me in the comment section that what should we do next. I mean, in the context of after the payment, my thinking is to redirect to the customer panel in the order page, right? In our next video, what we will do, we will implement our next payment gateway, maybe uh, Stripe or Razor Pay. One more payment gateway I'm going to add here, confirm order. So confirm order, we have Razor Pay. Next payment gateway I will add here, let's say Paytm. Paytm is Indian payment gateway, so I will try to add this. In our next video, I will try to add this, right? So thank you so much for watching the video, and maybe in the next video we will also add the logo, so it will be more identify by the logo, right? So in the next video we will do the next payment step or next payment option, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.